Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio AE 1500WH. This is going to work for all variants of this exact model. So while you are in your home screen where we have the time and date displayed, we are going to press the start button. And as you can see, instead of 18, I now see 6 p.m. If I press it once again, I will switch to military time, so now I see 18 instead of 6 p.m. In case you are not in your home screen, make sure to press the mode button until you arrive at the time and date displayed. So guys, that was the quick video. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio AE 1500, make sure to check out the link in the description box below. And in case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.